Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In, and today I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your UCO net banking account. First of all, just go into any web browser that you are using, then go into the search bar and just type for UCO Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, click on the second link where it says UCO Bank Net Banking. And after doing so, you will be taken to the official website of UCO Net Banking. And on the left side of your screen, you can see a Net Banking login. Hover your mouse over it and you will see other two options, that is Retail Login and Corporate Login. Select the type of login you want your account to log in into and then tap on it. After doing so, you will be taken to a new interface. And here you can see you need to input your user ID and a CAPTCHA in order to log into your account. Here, just input your correct user ID and input the CAPTCHA you see above here and then hit on login. After doing so, you will be taken again into a password page where you need to input your password as well in order to log into your bank account. So guys, that's how you log in into a UCO bank account. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.